Dear students, let me start with a new chapter, Remainder and Factor Theorem. Okay. First, let me explain the remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? If f of x is a polynomial in x and is divided by x minus a, then remainder will be equal to f of a. For example, if we have an equation, for example, I'll take the equation as x square minus 8x plus 4 is divided by two x plus 1. How do we find the remainder? So we have f of x equals to x square minus 8x plus 4. It's divided by 2x plus 1. So you can write 2x plus 1 equal to 0. That is 2x equals to minus 1. X equals to minus 1 by 2. So f of x, instead of x you need to replace it as minus 1 by 2. That is equal to minus 1 by 2 square minus 8 into minus 1 by 2 plus 4. Minus 1 by 2 square will be equal to 1 by 4 minus 8 into minus 1 by 2. So you can cancel 8 and 2, you get 4. Minus into minus plus 4 again plus 4. 1 by 4 plus 8 gives you 8, 1 by 4. So that is the remainder for this equation. Now let me start with the next exercise. That is exercise 8a. Okay, let me do the first sub question of the first question. Exercise 8a. First question. X to the power of 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. Divided by x minus 1 you need to find. So this is our f of x, you need to find the remainder. So it's divided by x minus 1. You can write x minus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 1. So what do we get? F of 1 equals to, replace it by 1. What do you get here? 1 to the power of 4 minus 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1. So you get 1 minus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0 plus 1. So you get the remainder is 1. So your remainder is equal to 1. Okay. Now let me do the second question. Show that x minus 2 is a factor of, we need to show that x first sub question is x minus 2 is a factor of 5x square plus 15x minus 15. So you learned how to find the remainder. So what is the meaning of a factor? A factor means if you divide that number with the given number, your remainder will be 0. So using this you need to check whether you are getting the remainder as 0. Let us see that x minus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 2. So what will be our f of 2? F of 2 will be equals to 5 into 2 square plus 15 into 2 minus 50. 5 into 4 plus 15 2s are 30 minus 50. 5 into 4 is 20. 20 plus 30 minus 50 equals to 0. So hence proved. From this it's clear that x minus 2 is a factor of 5x square plus 15x minus 50. Now let me do the fourth question. If 2x plus 1 is a factor of 2x square plus ax minus 3, find the value of a. So if it's a factor, what do you get? You will get f of x equals to 2x square plus ax minus 3. Since it's a factor, the remainder will be 0. So let me take it. 2x plus 1 equals to 0. 2x is equal to minus 1. X equals to minus 1 by 2. F of minus 1 by 2 equals to 2 into minus 1 by 2 square plus a into minus 1 by 2 minus 3 equals to 0. 2 into 1 by 4 plus a into minus 1. So you'll get minus a by 2 minus 3 equals to 0. So this I can cancel it. What I get? 1 by 2 minus 3 equals to a by 2. 1 by 6 by 2 equals to a by 2. 2 and 2 is getting cancelled. You will get a is equal to minus 5. So you get the value of a as minus 5. Let us do the fifth question. Find the values of a and b if x minus 2 and x plus 3 are the factors of f of x is given here as x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 12. Okay. So x minus 2 and x plus 3 are the factors. So first we can take x minus 2 equals to 0 gives you x equals to 2. So since x minus 2 is a factor, we can write it as f of 2 equals to 0. So what is f of 2? F of 2 will be equals to 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus b into 2 minus 12. 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 4a plus 2b minus 12. 4a plus 2b, 8 minus 12 equals to minus 4 equals to 0. 4a plus 2b equals to 4. It's our equation 1. Next, we have to take x plus 3 equals to 0. X plus 3 equals to 0. X equals to minus 3. So f of minus 3 is equal to 0. F of minus 3 equals to 0 means you will get it as f of minus 3 equals to minus 3 cube plus a into minus 3 square plus b into minus 3 minus 12 equals to 0. So what do you get here? Minus 27 plus 9a minus 3b minus 12 equals to 0. 9a minus 3b minus 27 minus 12 gives you minus 39 equals to 0. 9a minus 3b equals to 39. So divide the equation by 3, you get 3a minus b equals to 13. That's your equation number 2. You've already got equation 1 and equation 2. Now let us solve it. Let's do equation 1 into equation 1 remains like that. So equation 1 is given as 4a plus 2b equals to 4. It's your equation 2. Equation 2 is equation 2 into 2 gives you 6a minus 2b equals to 26. Adding them, 10a equals to 30. A is equal to 30 by 10, that is equal to 3. Now substitute in one of the equations. So 3 into 3, substitute a in equation 2. 3 into 3 minus b equals to 13. 9 minus b equals to 13. b equals to 9 minus 13, that's equal to minus 4. So you get a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 4. Thank you, students.